Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And if you'd consider hitting the subscribe button and sticking around for a while, that would be absolutely wonderful. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. And I'm glad everyone can join me today. So I have a finished diamond painting today. I'm just going to show you this one kind of quick. And then I am going to do an unboxing of the next one that I am going to work on. If you can kind of hear things rattling in the background, that's just how windy it is here today. It is like gale force winds. So every once in a while my windows actually shutter, and I haven't heard them do that all winter. So yeah, it's really, really windy. Anyway, so this painting here is from DiamondArt.CA, and I ordered it just after Christmas and got working on it a few weeks ago. So I'm not a steady diamond painter by any means. I don't do this every day, but I love sitting here for a couple of hours at a time, 2 or 3 times a week, and kind of just zoning out and doing it. So I'm really, really enjoying the relaxation factor in doing these. This painting is actually Cathedral Grove in British Columbia on Vancouver Island, and it is a park there of the huge, great big, those great big giant cedar, I think they're cedar trees. I'm not even sure. My son took me there when I was out a couple of years ago, and it is absolutely beautiful. And this is how big these trees are. So this is a walkway, kind of like a wooden walkway with these railings, and it's not all like that part way into it. It's just a pathway through the woods, but there are these great big enormous massive trees, absolutely massive trees. You can see this great big one, huge big one here, but on this painting I actually think I am going to go through. I have all kinds of diamonds left. They actually send a lot, so I had more than enough to finish this. But I think what I'm going to do is go back through, because these are all the railings from the walkway, and I have enough of this red and medium and dark, these colors in here, to kind of redefine these fences a little bit. So I think because this blends in with the background so much, I think I'll bring a little bit of the red down and redefine these post tops. So before I start the next one, I'm going to do that and just clean this up a little bit. So this one here I've already done, and you can see that post top, and this one here, it kind of just disappears in. But there's lots of these colored diamonds to be able to kind of just, do a little bit of these angles. And on this side over here, you can hardly see the railings. I think that can be cleaned up a little bit. So this is my painting. I'm doing this, and my thoughts are, if I was an artist, I wouldn't, if there was something that needed to be fixed, I'd fix it. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah, this is absolutely a gorgeous painting. I love it. It's the round drills. I prefer, for something that I'm going to keep, and I'm not just doing for I'm doing it for the fun of it. I'm just doing it for the fun of it. But I do want to keep a few of these ones, these Canadiana kind of prints that I've decided to do. So I am going to make them my own and clean them up and and get them ready for framing, because I would love to put some of this Canadiana art up on my walls. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Now it is really glittery through here. So all of these little, white spots that you're seeing are actually the glitter of the diamonds. So yeah, it's gorgeous. So anyway, that's that one. So let's get to the unboxing. That's the exciting part. So There. This is another DiamondArt.CA. You can see from the tape. And it comes with this nice little letter from them. Thank you for purchasing from DiamondArt.CA. And it tells you how to contact them. And yeah, so also it says here they have a monthly contest. So if you email them pictures of completed diamond art paintings, you can enter the monthly draw for a $50 DiamondArt.CA gift card. That would be nice to be able to win a $50 gift card from them. So let's take this out of here. All I've done is opened this cardboard box, so I didn't have to do that on camera. It also has this little card in here that tells you how to get started diamond painting if you have never done it before. And let's take this out. So this painting, I forget what it was called. Look at those drills. One of the things I really liked about their drills, these are all in individual plastic bags. So I don't even have to kit this. This is already kitted up for me. And I love that. I love that. So I just have to put it into a little tray. All the diamonds into a little tray, and I'm ready to go. So here's the kit. Some more baggies if you need it. I'm just going to toss that. I have a lot of kits. Whoops, I just tossed it too far. And let's see this picture. So let's put this down here. And I am going to lift this and let this lay flat. Just letting it relax a little bit will help it to lay flat. So at least that's what I found anyway. Do this side again. There, how's that? So look at that. There's 3 beautiful wolves in this. Oh my gosh, and that moon with the little bit of a tree in front of it. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's a 30 by 40. I love working on this size. You can see this one is 40 by 60. It's twice the size of this one. And so I'm going to enjoy working on this. This is a gift for someone that my husband and I know who is an absolute wolf lover, just collects them and has all kinds of them. So this will be a gift, and I really think he's going to enjoy having this done. So that's the painting, and it is beautiful. So far, I've been really, really happy with the quality of the paintings that I'm getting from DiamondArt.CA. This one is square drills. Now, I would prefer to do all square drills. This one is around. The Cathedral Grove is a round drill, but they had none left in the square drills. They were sold out of the square drills when I ordered it. So when I can get them, I get the square drills. So this is the way the baggies come, like this. Wow, look at the size of that one. That one's massive. So just for comparison, like very, very tiny. So what I'm going to do is this. So these baggies are not numbered. They already just have the DMC number on them right here. And number 1 is 310. So I imagine that's that bag. So not as much of the 310 as there is this 936, which looks like a dark navy. So I imagine this is all in the sky in the background. So that's gorgeous. So the 310. So these diamonds, they look really uniform. Let's see a light color so that you can see. So a very uniform in size, and there doesn't seem to be any trash in here. These look really, really good. So what I'm going to do is go through all of these colors. So there's a blue, which is like a navy blue, and then there's a blue that's like a midnight blue. And then these two grays, there's a light gray, a dark gray. There's also a medium gray in here. There's the black, of course, the 310. $37.99. This is like a charcoal color. I'm not sure like what these are called, these colors. I do not have the book or any kind of a list that tells me what these colors are, but there's quite a bit of these. So this is a white, a very light cream, a kind of a golden yellow, like a honey color almost, and a pale, pale gray, almost an off-white. Then there's kind of a taupe color, and this kind of a khaki color. You can just see all these colors are really similar, really similar. There's a brown and another bit of a kind of a sagey green, and then like a pale sage and a medium, kind of a blue-green, and then this really, really pretty yellow. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to tick all these off and make sure that everything is here. Now, there's not multiple bags of anything. Like the 310 is, there's a big bag. This would be like 5 of the little bags, but this one is twice the size. So yeah, but packing them in these Ziploc baggies like this, they can get all the colors in one bag. So I just have to go through and make sure that all the baggies are here. There's 20 different colors. Did I count that right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So let me go through this. There's none left in here, and see if I have one missing or if I've just screwed up my count. And I'll be right back and I'll let you know what the outcome is. So I've gone through all these baggies and I am missing one. So, DiamondArt.CA. I don't think that it's that big of a deal. I will contact them and see if they can send me out the missing color. I'm sure that they will. I don't think that it will be a problem. They seem to be a pretty good company. And yeah, so this is a dark charcoaly gray, and it's the number 6 symbol on the painting, which is the gray that defines all around the outside of this wolf here. All the highlighted areas, like the stripy parts of the fur, all through here like this. So it's a fairly important and a fairly prominent diamond in here. So I am going to contact them immediately, and I am going to put this back away, and I will see if they can send me out the drills, and I will probably start on a different painting. A while back, I unboxed one of the little, I forget what they're called, where I got them, but they're like the little gorgeous girls, and they are so adorable. I've got a little set of them that I want to put in my upstairs bathroom, just on one wall. I think they will be really cute there. And yeah, so that's what I'll do. I'll start. So next week, I'll probably just do a whip and chat next Wednesday. And I'll start on one of the little gorgeous girl paintings, which are small this size as well, I think. Because I think after doing a big one like this, I want a smaller size in between. I think I like to just switch up the sizes like that. So I'd love to get on this, but I'm not going to start it until I get the replacement drills. And I'll let you know how that goes. I will definitely, you know, come on back next Wednesday and I'll talk about that too. And I'll let you know how, if I had luck with contacting the company and what the response time is and those little details. So thanks for watching, everybody. You know, thanks for going through this little journey with me. That's the first time that I've ever been missing a drill color. So, and I can understand it. I can actually understand it. I have this package of drills here that's from something else. This is one of those little tiny paintings that I've been working on, and getting them in a row like this and where they're probably machine done, it's probably a lot easier. I'm thinking that these are probably packaged individually like this because it is a smaller company, and therefore there's a little more chance when you're actually counting out colors and putting them in. There's a little chance to make a mistake. So I'm not overly upset about it. If it was the only painting that I had, I'd probably go ahead and start on it. I'm that confident that I will get the drills replaced. So yeah. So I'm going to put them back in here so I can keep them, and that's it. That's all I got to share with you today. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead, do that already so you can come back next week and see what the outcome of this is. Stay safe out there, everybody, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.